I love my kitchen and I love cooking. And I am like a warrior in my kitchen. Yes, a warrior which uses its weapon and they are known by that. In similarly fashion way, you can say, I love my weapons. I am talking about my kitchen tools without which I would have never survived in the kitchen. They are my favorite and also I am 100% dependent on them. And the first one I would say is my silicone spatula. I really love this. In fact, I would say I love it, you can say. I adore it because this one spatula never allows anything to stick. Yes, it tosses and turns every ingredient I like the way I want. Perfect. Here comes the julienne maker. I love this julienne maker. Whether making juliennes of carrots for Chinese, or I like to make zoodles out of zucchini or bottle gourd, it helps me in making perfect juliennes. So this is also one of my favorite and it's very important as my weapon even, you can say. I love these measuring cups and spoons. They are my favorite, without which I cannot cook anything perfectly. This helps me in making my dish perfect so that my family enjoys whatever I make. Another important tool in my kitchen or in my cooking is my silicone molds. I love more than that those paper molds even, because nothing sticks inside the silicone mold. Even if you are a bit wrong in your consistency, this will help in the things coming out maybe 5 minutes late. But ultimately all things comes out perfect from these silicone molds. But yes, you have to take care. This should be used for microwaving and for baking and not for grilling. Suppose you have baked a cake or muffins in these silicone molds and you want a perfect golden color, then please take out from the mold and then grill it for 2 to 3 minutes your muffins to get those lovely to get those lovely golden hue on your muffins. Now comes the slicer. I love this slicer. This is one tool which plays an important role in my cookery because it helps me in slicing very fine or thick the type I want for my cooking, and it is a very fine movement it has, so it helps me in slicing perfect roundels. And also I make juliennes out of cabbages, onions, thinly sliced, perfect for Chinese and all. So this is one tool I literally adore. And now comes the most important tool of my kitchen. It is the baking sheet or the parchment sheet. This sheet, I really love it. It helps me in avoiding any mess on my baking tray or on any microwavable or oven dish even, because it helps me in pulling out my granola bars or cake very easily. And plus it does not create any mess. All the mess stays on this paper and my baking dish or the tray remains clean and tidy. Another important kitchen tool I love is the silicone mats. I love it. Why? Because I hate rolling or kneading the dough on the working surface. I like it to roll it on the silicone mat. So it helps me, it sticks on the working surface properly and helps me in kneading and rolling the dough very easily without any pain and without any fear of that dirtiness or anything. And now I love this brush. This brush helps me in greasing anything. Yes, it's like polishing off. I love to grease my dish so that anything which is baked in it or cooked in it comes out easily, and this really helps me in making the dish perfect. In fact, when I make my pancake. Even with this I drizzle my oil and all. So this is also an important kitchen tool for me. So as you saw, I have shared so many of my kitchen tools with you so that your life also becomes easier. So go and get these kitchen tools. As you see, these kitchen tools, they are my weapons, as I had told you, really helps me in creating and making dishes. And if you want it, just go into the description box below my video where you will find the link to my affiliate Amazon store to buy these products.